Hello friends, good evening to all. Welcome in our daily task, that is video generation on given topic. So today's topic is hash table in Java. So basically what is mean by hash table? Hash table is nothing but one type of data structure which includes key values. So it is basically comes collection framework. And talking about if you want to see the hash code values of particular array or particular element, then we have to just write a particular array with different size, and we can directly sys out inside that array name. Then we see the output like uh, like a interface here, what we can say, package name, then dot class name at the rate hash code. In that way the actual representation of hash code is there. Our topic is a hash table in Java. So hash table is a one type of class which is basically synchronized, and which class basically implements the interface, that is a hash map interface, and which inherits the class which is a dictionary class. So let's discuss the key point in our hash table. So talking about hash table is one type of array list which includes the different type of lists. This particular list are basically called as bucket. And so if you want to find the exact bucket location of the exact bucket, particular bucket, then we have to just call the method which is present in our hash table, that is hash code method. By calling we can receive the particular location of that bucket or that list. So basically actually declaring the hash table, the declaration of hash table is its default value. The default value of the hash table is 11, and its load factor is 0.75. So according to the default values, the initially hash table is generated. So this hash table when generated, it contain its unique values, means it doesn't repeat the any value. So also hash table doesn't allow the null values. This is a very basic point. So these are the very basic point in hash table. So actual representation of the hash table is like the hash table which is synchronized, which what we can say, which implements the dictionary, and it contains k and v, and it extends the class which is a hash map class, and which it contains k and v. K and v is nothing but type of key value uh, in a map, and other fee is mapped value, type of mapped value. So these are the very basics of what you can say, hash table of representation. So the actual different types of constructor and methods are also present in a hash table class. So let's discuss about what are the constructors in hash table class. So in that first one is a hash table with no argument. uh, when we doesn't pass any argument to the constructor, that is a hash code constructor, then it default it creates the hash table with default size, that is Hash table its default size 11 and load factor is 0.75. So talking about next constructor, that is when we pass one argument, means one we are passing the one argument with capacity of that hash table, then it creates the hash table with the given size, given capacity. Then talking about next constructor, that is passing the two arguments with the integer capacity of the hash table and float load factor. It creates the it creates the load fact what you can say, it creates the hash table with given capacity and given load factor, float which load factor is comes in float value. So these are the particular basic constructors are there in a hash table. So talking about different types of methods which are placed in hash table. Likewise, in that first one is a void clear method. Void clear method is basically clear the all the values, all the elements inside the hash table, and it returns the null values of given hash table. So talking about next that is next method is a clone method. Clone method is basically create the copy of same table, same hash table. Then next method is called as fee compute method. Fee compute method, then comes fee compute present, or is present, fee compute is absent. Then comes that is hash code, uh, int hash code. So it returns the particular position of the element which is placed in the hash table. So talking about next different types of methods, like get method, then comes clear method, remove method, then size method is there. So these are methods which are works like as its given name. So these are the basic, very basics in a hash table. So all this is about a hash table. Thank you for watching.